Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this video is a haul video in which I'll show you the clothes that I got for myself. Now this video is a very casual haul video because the things that I got are very casual and affordable. Now I didn't shop much, to be very honest, but still I wanted to do this video because if you live in Delhi, so you are familiar with Sarojini Nagar market because you get very nice clothes at affordable rates there. Like everyone knows about Sarojini Nagar. The people who are not from Delhi, they also know about Sarojini Nagar market. But let me tell you that there are some other places in Delhi where also you can get nice clothes at affordable prices. Not as cheap as Sarojini Nagar, but yes, affordable at least. So yes, GK1 M Block market is one of those markets where you can get nice trendy clothes at affordable rates, but it's like you have to bargain there because the prices that they demand are like really high. So yes, and also I did not shop much, but still I'm doing this video so that I can show what type of clothes are there in that market. So yes, if you're a college going girl, so you can easily relate to this video. So yes, if you guys want to know what are all the things that I got, then please keep watching. Yes guys, the first thing that I got is this top that I'm wearing. It's a plain white top with navy blue colored strips on this, and this was for 300 or 350, but I got this for 200 because I bargained. So yes, and when I went there was a shop in which some sale was going on, and there you get anything for 350. Like there were some tops and lowers and cardigans, anything, like they were for 1000, 1500, but then they were on a sale, and they were on a sale for 350 rupees. So I searched the entire store, and from there I got 3 tops and 1 t-shirt. So yes, the first thing that I got from that store is this black crop top, and it has a sort of a cut in the front, and there it goes, and it has these type of detailing at the bottom which I liked. So yeah, it's a plain black crop top, and this was for 300, no, it's for 350 because it's on a sale. So yes, and the next thing that I got from that store is this transparent crop shirt, I can say, because it's in a shirt form, and then it is very frilly. It's like short from the front and long from the back, as you can see, and it is in a shirt style with collars and buttons. So yes, it is transparent. I need to wear something underneath because it's transparent, and this was also for 350. And the next thing that I got is a sort of kurta like top. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like. It is stretchable, like from this area it is stretchable, and there it goes all the way to the bottom. So yeah, this is a kurta style top. It's cut sleeves, and also it has some dory detailings in the front, as you can see. So it's sort of a kurta top. So yeah, this was also for 350. And the next thing that I like, the last thing that I got from that shop is a t-shirt. It's a very casual, loose t-shirt, and it's also in a strip form. So yeah, it's a very loose, and this is what it looks like, and it has a pocket in the front which says this is my favorite t-shirt, but actually it's not. So yes, this, and also it says mango, but this is not the original mango, but still the stuff is like so soft, and it's very soft, and it's very comfortable to wear as well. So this was also for 350. The next top that I got is this off-shoulder top. It's a very pretty blue colored floral printed top. It has strips right here which are adjustable, and then you have this off-shoulder sleeve with pom-pom detailings, and we have the pom-pom detailings on the bottom also. So yes, this was for 500 or 550, but I got this for 300 because I bargained. So yes, and this type of top was available on almost every shop there, and I found this really cute, so I got this. So yes, and the next top that I got is this crochet white colored top. I love the design, and this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like from the bottom. And then you have a sort of inner underneath it. This is the inner which is attached to it, but I did not found this inner to be wearable because it's very deep, so there's no point of wearing this type of inner. So I'll get it fixed. I'll wear some other type of inner under this top, but I found this top really nice and it's a bit loose, so I'll get it altered. So yes, this was like the shopkeeper was giving this top for 550, but I got this for 350. So yes, I loved this top. Like, this was my mom's choice, to be honest. So yes, I got this one. And the last thing that I got is this off-shoulder shirt. It has elastic right here, and then you have this quarter sleeves, and then you have this very loose and casual shirt with buttons in the front. I hope you can see the buttons. So yes, it's a very light, it's actually a cream color, and yes, it has like vertical strips in the front, and yes, it is very loose, but it is like this only. So yes, and this was for like, it was I think for 500 or 550, but I got this for 300. So yes, it's all about bargaining. So yes, this was my haul, and it's a very small haul. I didn't shop much, but still I'm showing this stuff to you guys so that you can have an idea of what are all things, like what are the type of clothes that you can get there. So yes, with that I complete this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yes, I'm going to see you next time. Till then, you girls stay happy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.